In this video, I will show you that how you can buy and sell any crypto coin on Bitget exchange by following the very simple steps. So let's come on the Bitget application. So I have opened Bitget application on my cell phone. So this is the homepage of the Bitget application. So here you can find the many coins. Now, for example, if you want to buy any coin, you can select any coin from here, or you can search any coin from the top of the bar. Now, for example, I want to buy Bitcoin. So you have to type BTC. Alright, so here you can see a separate section for the BTC. On the top you can see sports section, on the bottom you can see future, traders. So currently we are buying from the sports section, so you can directly select from here the sport. Now here you can see there are multiple pairs, just like BTC/USDT, BTC/USDC, BTC/EUR. So you have to select the pair in which you have money. For example, I have some USDT, so we have to select BTC/USDT. So after clicking on the coin, you will see crypto coin chart. You have to click on the trade. So this is the buy forum. On the right side, you see two charts. The red chart shows the live selling of the Bitcoin or whatever coin you have selected. And another chart shows the live chart of the buy. On the left side here, you have to select the values, that how much BTC you want to buy, how much BTC you want to sell. So currently we have 9.33 USDT because we have selected the BTC/USDT pair, so we must have some USDT in our account. Here you have to select the market order, and here you have to type that how much USDT you want to spend for this coin. For example, I want to buy BTC for the 9 USDT. Here you can set the percentage, that how much percentage of USDT you want to spend. I want to spend my 100% of USDT, and here you have to click on buy BTC. Alright. So we have successfully purchased Bitcoin in few seconds. If you come on the assets, and here you can see we have $9 of Bitcoin. So we have purchased $9 of Bitcoin in few seconds. Now let's say if you want to sell this coin, you can directly select BTC USDT pair from here, or you can follow the same procedure. Come on the home, search BTC, select the same pair. Again come on the trade. Now here you have to select the sell. Again, make sure that you have selected the market order, click market order, and here you have to select the quantity of BTC or USDT. Let's say I want to sell all of my USDT here, and you have to click on the sell BTC. Alright, it says successful. So we have successfully sell our USDT in few seconds. Come on the assets. So here you can, if you come on the BTC, we have $0.48 available. So whenever you sell any coin, a very small amount will remain in that coin. In the next video, I will show you that how you can sell that minor amount also. But currently, if you come on the USDT, so here you can see again we have USDT in our account. So you have to pay a minor fee whenever you buy a coin from any exchange. So I hope you understand that how you can buy and sell crypto coin from Bitget. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel for more updates. See you in the next video.